Hello and welcome. Today we are going through example practice multiple choice to prepare for the Property and Casualty Exam. Question: a car wash concerned about responsibility for customer vehicles should purchase. Here are the answer choices. Choice A is Motor Carrier Coverage Form. Choice B is Garage Liability Coverage Form. Choice C is Garage Keepers Coverage Form. Choice D is Drive Other Car Coverage. The correct answer is Garage Keepers Coverage Form. Garage Keepers coverage protects the business for damage to customer vehicles in its care, custody, or control. Question: which is not true about ocean marine policies? Here are the answer choices. Choice A is manuscript policies. Choice B is must be filed and approved before use. Choice C is can insure ships or boats. Choice D is can insure cargo. The correct answer is must be filed and approved before use. Ocean marine policies are flexible, manuscript forms, and do not require pre-filing approval. Question: a business concerned about liability when employees use personal vehicles for company tasks needs. Here are the answer choices. Choice A is Drive Other Car Coverage. Choice B is Individual Named Insured Endorsement. Choice C is Employee as Insured Endorsement. Choice D is Employer's Non-Ownership Liability. The correct answer is Employer's Non-Ownership Liability. This covers liability arising from employees using their own vehicles for business purposes. Question: when can an auto insurer cancel a policy? Here are the answer choices. Choice A is risk too high after 90 days. Choice B is insured's driver's license is suspended. Choice C is agent who sold the policy is terminated. Choice D is insured misses one premium. The correct answer is insured's driver's license is suspended. Cancellation is allowed when the insured loses their driver's license, since they can no longer legally drive. Question: a home built in a flood-prone area is considered. Here are the answer choices. Choice A is a hazard. Choice B is a moral risk. Choice C is exposure. Choice D is a behavior risk. The correct answer is exposure. Exposure describes the susceptibility to loss, like a home in a flood zone. Question: what is the main purpose of insurance rating services? Here are the answer choices. Choice A is ensure compliance with state law. Choice B is confirm an insurer can pay claims. Choice C is check insurers' premiums are lowest. Choice D is assess financial stability of insurers. The correct answer is assess financial stability of insurers. Rating services evaluate insurers' financial strength to ensure they can cover claims. Question: which principle guides the insurer when paying home damage claims? Here are the answer choices. Choice A is warranty. Choice B is fiduciary duty. Choice C is estoppel. Choice D is reasonable expectations. The correct answer is reasonable expectations. Insurers must honor the reasonable expectations of the policyholder. Question: which factor is used to determine insurance premiums? Here are the answer choices. Choice A is historical claims loss costs. Choice B is agent commission. Choice C is insurer profit margin. Choice D is policyholder income. The correct answer is historical claims loss costs. Premiums are calculated based on expected losses derived from past data. Question: liability insurance generally does not cover. Here are the answer choices. Choice A is punitive damages. Choice B is compensatory damages. Choice C is medical expenses. Choice D is special compensatory damages. The correct answer is punitive damages. Punitive damages are meant to punish, so standard liability policies exclude them. Question: which contract principle requires the insured to accept the entire contract? Here are the answer choices. Choice A is unilateral. Choice B is adhesion. Choice C is conditional. Choice D is aleatory. The correct answer is adhesion. Insurance contracts are take-it-or-leave-it agreements written entirely by the insurer. Question: the principle that insurers only cover risks they know about is. Here are the answer choices. Choice A is indemnity. Choice B is exposure. Choice C is insurable interest. Choice D is predictable loss. The correct answer is insurable interest. Insurable interest ensures the insured would suffer financial loss if the event occurs. Question: authority explicitly granted to an insurance agent is called. Here are the answer choices. Choice A is implied authority. Choice B is express authority. Choice C is apparent authority. Choice D is statutory authority. The correct answer is express authority. Express authority is clearly given by the insurer in writing or verbally.